Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a Saturday morning and we're all ready to go, aren't we? By the way, ladies and gentlemen, that was the first thing that somebody made for me in America when I went there 4 years ago. It was a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We were, I think we were on the beach with some of my American friends at the time, and after that we went back to the hotel. I was working at that beach hotel. Let's get to a clip if I find something. It's gonna be very interesting. Let's get to a clip from that day.
What do you have? I have chicken. Yep. Asparagus. Yep. Stuffed mushrooms. Yep. And just mushrooms within asparagus. And I don't know. We're celebrating. A celebration for no reason. It's summertime, huh?
All right, off we go now. I gotta go to work.
By the way, before I devote my Saturday to a pizza making shop, I would like to point out that I'm up from a while, ladies and gentlemen. I already had 2 coffees. I'm still not awakened. I am not alert, ladies and gentlemen, not at all. I almost fell asleep on the keyboard editing the vlog from yesterday. It's gonna be one of those days, isn't it? Well, after a full day into the pizza shop, ladies and gentlemen, I don't even remember what the hell was I talking about earlier. Was it something worth recording? I gotta go fix my computer, ladies and gentlemen, basically. Let's go do that. So, whatever happened here, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't seem to be good. That looks like a CD of some sort. Right on the curve over here. What the hell is that? What could it be? Oh shit, it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's a hard drive. That's a very small, tiny hard drive. It's a laptop hard drive. It's a 160 gigabyte hard drive. Huh.
Come here.
We can possibly tell to somebody, because if it's done right, it's gonna make you believe that something is actually real. The thing that you're actually watching exists. That is exactly how we used to think as children, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine and remember how many crazy stories you came up with because you were late for dinner. Imagine how many, and remember how many crazy ideas you